How to import events with WP Ultimate CSV Importer in the Events Calendar plugin. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using the Events Calendar plugin and you're tired of creating events one by one, this video is going to save you hours, seriously. Today I'll show you how to bulk import events along with menus, organizers, dates, images, pricing, time zones, categories, everything using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. No coding, no manual data entry, just upload your file, map the fields, and your events are live in minutes. Let's jump right in. Prepare your import file. First, prepare your import file in CSV, Excel, XML, Google Sheets, TSV, or zip format. Make sure it contains the required WordPress fields like post title, content, slug, date, and the event-specific fields such as event start date, event end date, all-day event, cost and currency, venue ID, organizer ID, event time zone, website URL, featured image, categories, and tags. Once your file is ready, save it. Step 1. Upload the import file. Go to your WordPress dashboard and open WP Ultimate CSV Importer. You'll land on the Import/Update page. Now upload your prepared file using any source of your choice. From desktop. From FTP/SFTP. From external URL. From server. Once the upload is complete, select your import type, fresh import or content update depending on whether you're adding new events or updating existing ones. We'll let it be fresh import. Then choose the post type tribe_events from the dropdown, and click Continue. Step 2. Field mapping. Now we'll match the fields in the import file with the fields in WordPress. You can use drag and drop mapping or keep the advanced drop-down mode, whichever you prefer. Start by mapping WordPress core fields like post title, post content, and post date. Then move to the events calendar fields, including event origin, event show map link, event show map, all-day event, event start and end date, event start and end date UTC, venue ID, organizer ID, event currency, website URL, event time zone, and time zone abbreviation. The field will be auto-mapped if the file field headers and WordPress headers are same. Finally, scroll to the Terms and Taxonomies widget to map event categories, tags, and other event taxonomies. Enter a mapping name in the Save this mapping box and click Continue. Step 3. Media and Import Settings. Next, configure how you want the plugin to handle event images. You can choose Use images if already available, default. Always create as new image, or overwrite existing images. If your event description contains external image URLs, enable. Download post content external images to media. Now configure import behavior. Turn on maintenance mode during import if needed. Enable rollback to restore previous state in case of issues. Use iteration for large imports. Handle duplicates based on identifiers like title or ID. Apply category or taxonomy filters if required. If you want a repeating import, set up a schedule. Otherwise, click Import to run it immediately. Step 4. Verify results. Once the import is complete, a pop-up will appear showing the results. You can download summary logs and failed media list. If you close the pop-up, you'll see the status of every imported record. Go to any event edit page and verify the dates and times, venue and organizer links, ticket price and currency, map visibility options, metadata, featured image and description, if you have added, are imported. If everything looks good, your import is successful. And that's it. You've successfully imported events into the events calendar using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thanks for watching.